Imagine the taste of your favorite apple pie combined with the taste of your favorite apple cobbler, served on a homemade shortbread crust. Sounds good, right? Well, that's exactly what we're making today. Howard shows us his apple cobbler shortbread squares in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
It's apple season, and that means our markets and farm stands are brimming with all sorts of freshly picked apples. And right now, they're at some pretty good prices. So besides eating them as is, we came up with an apple shortbread bar that I can only describe as, well, how about appleicious? To make the shortbread crust, we beat together some butter, sugar, and a little vanilla. Once it's creamy, we add some flour and a bit of salt. This gets pressed into the bottom of an 8-inch square baking dish, and it gets baked for just a few minutes. While that's in the oven, we toss peeled and sliced apples with some sugar, flour, cinnamon, and a little nutmeg. On top of our baked crust goes a crumb mixture that we made by combining some brown sugar with flour and butter. The apples go over that before finishing it off with more of the crumb topping, and then we pop it back into the oven. Once it cools, it's ready to serve. Imagine the combo of the best apple pie and a really decadent apple cobbler served on a shortbread crust. To get the recipe for what we call our apple cobbler shortbread squares, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fresh from the orchard way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
That looks delicious. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. Here's a look at our 4-state market prices.